we're given that theta is small and is measured in radians. We need to use the small angle approximations to find an approximate value of 1 minus cos 4 theta over 2 theta sine 3 theta. And if we go to the formula booklet, we're given these approximations. So we have these here. So if I copy these over to the booklet, then we can simplify the numerator. With cos 4 theta, we can replace this theta with 4 theta, which means we need to replace this one as well. So we'll have 1 minus 4 theta squared over 2. And this is divided by, now we can replace this theta for sine with the 3 theta. So the denominator will become 2 theta multiplied by 3 theta. Now we can tally up our numerator. We'll expand out the brackets. So we'll have 1 minus 1, and then this will become a positive. So plus, and the 4 theta squared, when we multiply this by itself, we'll get the 16 theta squared. And when we divide it by the 2, we'll get 8 theta squared. So plus 8 theta squared. All divided by the 2 times the 3 and the theta times theta. So 6 theta squared. We can see that these will cancel. So we'll have 8 theta squared over 6 theta squared. The theta squared will cancel, and we can simplify 8 over 6 to 4 over 3. Okay?